Hey everybody, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today I'm bringing you another collab, and this one is with Jacque from Hearth And Apron, and she is hosting a fall deep clean and an easy recipe. And I'm all about easy because I don't have time to do anything these days. I'm going to deep clean this room, and I'm going to try and get some fall decorations up. I've got them. I've had them in my house for months, and I still haven't put it up. So hopefully I will get you that video out soon, but today we're going to focus on the living room and getting that cleaned up, and I'm not going to do any talking. I'm just going to set it to music and hope you'll get some inspiration. I've got the house to myself, so I can get a lot of stuff done, I hope. Anyway, so I hope you'll go check out Jacque's channel. She has great cleaning, cooking, DIYs, gardening on her channel. So I hope you'll like and subscribe to her channel. And there's lots of ladies in this collab, so I will have the playlist linked below. And I hope you'll go visit all their channels, like and subscribe to them, and get some great cleaning motivation and some easy recipes. So I'm going to turn you around and let's get started. finally done. I've just got everything dusted and cleaned. I took everything down from that I had decorated in here and put it in a big tub, and I just kept out everything that I would think that I would need for the fall. And now everything's done, so I'm going to go ahead and take you in the kitchen, and let's get started on Alice Springs chicken. This stuff was so good the first time I made it, so I had to make it again and show you guys. It's delicious. I just made up this honey mustard sauce. It's just Dijon mustard and honey, and I just mixed that together. And then I just cut some chicken breasts and cut them in half so they wouldn't be so thick. And I just sprinkled those with some seasoning salt, and I think I put some pepper on there as well, but I'll have a recipe down below, even though I kind of just loosely used it. And then I put some bacon in the pan. I just used my cast iron skillet, and I'm just going to cook this, and I want to use the bacon grease to cook my chicken in. So I'm just going to take the bacon out of the pan, and then I'm going to add my chicken to the skillet. And all you want to do is just brown these, and make sure you cut them right, because I had like two thin slices and two thick slices, and mine overcooked a little bit too because they weren't very large, but they were thick. Just make sure you don't overcook yours like mine, and be sure you kind of don't put them together because you don't want them to steam. You want them to brown. So you're just going to brown them in that bacon grease just until they're brown, I would think, because you're going to cook them again when you put them in the oven. But you just put your honey mustard sauce on the chicken, and make sure you make a lot of this sauce because it's really good, and you're really going to want to dip your chicken in there after it's done. So just pour that over there, and the more the merrier, because that stuff's going to caramelize in the bottom with the cheese that you're going to put on there too. It's really good. So don't be generous with this and make extra. So then I'm going to go ahead and take the bacon that we fried up and put that on the chicken, and I just use like 2 slices for a big slice of chicken and 1 slice for a small slice of chicken. And then I just shredded up some cheese, and I used Colby Jack, I think, but you can use cheddar or pepper jack. I think that would be good too. And just be sure to pile that on because that was really good too. And it's going to melt in the bottom of the pan, and that is really good. So heap on the cheese as well. So we enjoyed this a lot, and it was quick and easy. And I hope you make this. This was really, really delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today and the recipe. I really needed to get this done, so I am so glad it's done, and now I can decorate for fall, hopefully anyway. But I want to thank Jacque again from Hearth and Apron for hosting. I needed to get this done, and this gave me the motivation to do it, and I hope it'll give you motivation to get cleaning today. And I want to thank her for hosting, and I'll link her channel below so you can go to her channel and watch her video. And next after that, go to the playlist and watch all the other ladies' videos. And if you're coming from one of their channels, I just want to say welcome, and I hope you'll stop by again. And if you're a continued subscriber, I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate you watching my videos, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.